living out here and having all these experiences. That was part and parcel of wanting to establish something, the same concept, and it's been a kind of a 10-year process, I guess, for it to happen. So it's kind of like pinching myself. It's actually happened. We like to have 10 or 12 because it's more one-on-one, but because it was the last camp for the year, I decided to open it up. And yeah, 20's a big number, but as you see, there's lots of whānau around, so just awesome because it brings everyone together. And that whakawhanaungatanga, you know, that's the special part. You just see all that happening within the whānau.
What are you going to be doing tonight, Luke?
Oh, we're going out to the beach and going laundry.
And you're just going to bring home some flounder?
Hopefully.
I guess a lot of our kids are a little bit lost, you know, in the cities and things, and I just think this grounds them and gives them other options, and yeah, just gives you a lot of strength, I guess, in everyday life. And it's giving back to